Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you love drinking tea as much as I do, then you know how amazing it is to have a nice hot cup of Irish breakfast. Something I really like about this loose leaf tea from US Wellness Naturals is that it has a very nice robust flavor, but is smooth and mellow. Also, this is not tea dust inside this bag. This has really nice whole tea leaves. When you brew a cup, you're not going to find a bunch of dust and debris in the bottom of your mug. You will find whole leaves that really make for a wonderful, strong cup of tea. The caffeine content on this is perfect for me. It's not too much that it gives me jitters, but it is enough that it gives me a little bit of pep in my step. I like to put a little bit of cream and sweetener in mine to really bring out the flavors. I like to have this as an alternative to some of the stronger, maltier teas that I make because it just is so smooth and has a really nice flavor. You just can't go wrong with some Irish breakfast tea, and this loose leaf organic one is really top of the line, and that's my point of view.